Here we are. We're walking out of the Magic Kingdom.
Yes, we are.
So there's no place like home for a holiday. Back to the center here.
I almost tripped.
Yes, that would have been fun to watch on camera.
Yes, it would have.
What's Lee's doing? Not watching where she's going. Merry Christmas! You got a broken ankle. We got the castle behind us,
Yes.
the tree in front of us,
Yes.
and the garbage guy crossing the road. It's a magical moment.
It is a magical moment.
We just saw a kid hit the ground hard.
Well, I hope he's okay.
It's really hurting.
Yeah.
Nobody cares. We're going home.
Maybe you should call for first aid or something?
Or maybe you should just worry about him and go and take care of him.
Okay.
Oh, hi. It's almost empty.
Yes.
And we're walking down the center of Main Street.
Yes, we are.
Big tree.
Big trees.
Our feet are killing us.
Yes. He's okay.
Oh, really? What makes you think that?
I don't know.
Well, there it is. The big tree.
You got it on there?
All right. That was Main Street, USA, guys.
That was Main Street.
We're
Good
out of
night.
here. Good night.
Bye.